Greetings everyone, welcome back to Sephiroth and Sci-Fi's channel. So today I have the Beast of the Mesozoic, Protoceratops andrewsi. I told myself before that I wasn't gonna purchase this Protoceratops, but obviously I did because I have plans on making it a hybrid, yes, to make it a bigger Protoceratops. This is the 1 inch 18 scale. Yeah, this is the small one. I still don't have the green one. Okay guys, alright, so we're gonna check the box. I believe we already have the Styracosaurus, Diabloceratops. This ones I don't have them yet. The Psittacosaurus, Medusaceratops, and I won't probably get any Triceratops because there's so many Triceratops already at Mattel. Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox this. We haven't done any Beast of the Mesozoic since September, I believe. That's been a while. That was the Guanglong, I believe. That was our last Beast of the Mesozoic. So let's unbox this goodie right here. Alright. Yep, I'm gonna make this a hybrid. Our first Beast of the Mesozoic hybrid. This is probably okay, so look at the background of that. Looks gorgeous. It looks like the mountains in, I don't know, probably Utah or Colorado. Okay guys, okay. Okay, so they already have the new Stegosaurus. It's available for pre-order. It's huge. They also have a new Pachycephalosaurus. I'm so interested in that. Probably get that. Alright, let's take this guy out. Our big Protoceratops. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this into a hybrid. Our first Beast of the Mesozoic hybrid should be awesome. Look how big this is compared to the small one. It's huge. Yeah, I'm gonna do some alteration in this guy. So it comes with a card right there. There's a card in there. That's I'm not really interested with the cards. The tail is a little flat. Look at that. It's sort of different. It's pretty cool. We'll see. Okay, guys. I'm a little sick right now, guys. Oh, no, not the ball joints. Looks like I have to use an air blower here again. Okay. Oh, no. It came off. So this will be I'm gonna turn this into an Apex. Okay guys, it'll be surprisingly good. Okay. Okay, I will be right back. Grab the air blower. Alright, it went in. It worked. There we go. Nice. So it is a very flat tail and kind of short. Look at that tail. It's like a big mama here. Uh-oh. How do you do this? What? Okay. So yeah, there's nothing special about this guy. Has like skinny legs. Has a skinny legs. So I'm gonna change that. Add some horns. Add some spikes in the back, but it'll be surprisingly good. Yeah, I'm gonna alter this thing. Okay. Yeah. So yep, there you have it. Pretty much almost the same as this. Look at that. Their crest is so different. No spikes, no horns. The only Ceratopsian that doesn't have a horn, I believe. I heard that Protoceratops are found in Mongolia. But they're supposed to be small ones though. This one's kinda large. So yeah, that's pretty much for today, guys. It looks like a giraffe, huh? The color reminds me of a giraffe with blue eyes. So yeah, that's pretty much it today. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, here's some cool stuff here. Oh, I knew it. See, Mongolia. Yeah, I've heard of this one since I was a kid, long time ago. Protoceratops. Whoa, what is this? Here's the older one. Yeah, I'll get the green one one of these days. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. You guys have a good one now. We'll see you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Also, I just finished a new hybrid today. I'll probably do 2 hybrids for this month. The end of March, I'll post it. It's done. I just finished it today. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.